Hello guys, I'm George, I'm the Tech Wrap trainer, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Tech Wrap. I'm starting with a soap and water spray followed by a clay bar to pull out embedded contaminants. Now I'm degreasing the surface with an isopropyl alcohol to ensure perfect adhesive bond. I apply masking tape to adjacent panels to prevent damage during trimming and to ensure the edges stay clean. Everything is prepped and degreased. It's time to measure and cut our Tech Wrap vinyl sheet. I'm cutting the sheet with 3 inches of excess material on every side to manage tension. First fit check to ensure the panel is fully covered before removing the liner. Tacking the vinyl onto the door to hold it while I align the front. Rough relief cut around the headlight to help the film conform. Just like before, I'll secure the vinyl to the headlight using a bit of masking tape before I finish the rest of the cut. Using 2 magnets to lock the panel's position and prevent it from pivoting during installation. Now I can finish the cut by guiding my blade around the wheel arch. Again, remember to leave that necessary overlap for the tucking phase. Trimming away large excess to make handling the sheet much easier.
So the easiest way to start is to apply this top. So in this way we make sure the vinyl doesn't move and stays in the positioning. So what we can do, just trim the liner. We apply about here, so we don't need to stick it all the way. Remove the magnets.
Carefully removing the liner while maintaining firm control of the vinyl. Starting with a cold stretch to glass out the fender surface efficiently.
So we're gonna remove a little bit more of the liner. We're gonna cut here.
Adding a touch of heat now to relax the film's memory. This makes it pliable enough to stretch into those complex fender lines. Peeling back the rest of the liner to complete the physical application. Using heat and overlapping squeegee strokes for a fine finish. Removing material over the vents to allow the vinyl to relax into the recess.
Okay, so once we applied that back section, now we have to do this front section that you guys can see is very round, the front fender. So obviously we need to lift it back up, apply some heat, and then stretch it a little bit. So to lift, I'm gonna warm it up a little bit. So now we have it a little bit more soft, as you can see, and just apply a very light stretch, so it's not that we're gonna stretch it a lot. So there is no stretch. We just relax the vinyl, pass the finger on the edge.
Take a close look at how I'm handling these relief cuts on the corner. This specific technique guarantees a clean, aesthetic finish that won't lift over time. Trimming the excess with high precision. I follow up immediately with my squeegee to firmly wrap and tuck the vinyl around the edges. I'm leaving a small lip at the wheel arch to tuck it behind the fender liner. This ensures full coverage without exposing any paint. Just a quick pro tip, always keep a fresh sharp blade in your knife. A dull blade will snag and tear your Tech Wrap vinyl, ruining that perfect factory style finish. We're almost at the finish line. Watch the technique here. It's all about steady hands and patience while I lay down the final edges. Make sure those seams are hidden and the tension is fully relaxed. Last but most important, post-heating. For this tech wrap satin finish, I'm bringing the temperature up to about 100 degrees Celsius. This locks the vinyl's memory into its new shape and ensures it stays put for years to come. Use an IR thermometer to verify you've hit that target temperature across all edges and recesses.